question says, are we allowed to catch and release rodents like mice, rats, or squirrels
Yeah.
if they are getting into our food or destroying the property?
Yeah, absolutely. You're allowed to catch them. Yes. So technically, if they destroy your property, you would be allowed to kill them, but we try not to do that one more time. So if you can catch them, so you put it in your car in a box or something, like drive them like, I don't know, 5 miles from your house, 3 miles, whatever, and release them, and that's it. That's what we do. You understand? So the consideration is that it might be a human soul inside. So you don't want to do that.